your prana, apana, samana, vyana, udana. Even if you forcefully don't take your mind to your body, automatically your mind is connected with your body. Your sharir also connected with your manasu. So obviously ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸು ದೇಹದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ ಮತ್ತು ಹೊರ ಎರಡೂ ಅರಿವಿನಿಂದ ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ಫ್ಲೋ. ಅಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಫ್ಲೋ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೂ ಶರೀರಕ್ಕೂ ಬೇಡವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಎನರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನು, ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೋ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ದೇಹಕ್ಕೂ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೂ ಭಾವನಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ, ದೈಹಿಕವಾಗಿ, ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಸಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕ ಶಕ್ತಿ. Automatically at the time of Shavasana, your mind is connected with your circulatory, your respiratory, your heartbeat. It is connecting overall all the parts of the body. And how the way it cures our mind, or why it cures our mind, or it cures our mind at the time of Shavasana, because here it purify our blood. When blood is purified, mind also will purify. When mind is purified, our blood also purified. It's very important. When blood is purified, so your nervous system will active. When your nervous system, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಡೀ ನರಮಂಡಲ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಕ್ರಿಯವಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ your ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಬ್ರೈನ್, ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ದೇಹದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೂ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್, ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ದ ಕಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಕಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್, those commands will be very lovable, friendly and healable commands. Very important. So only through the digestive system connects the blood to the blood, your nervous to the nervous, your mind to the mind, your emotions, right? And also the knowledge. We shall be most of the time with the wrong knowledge. Okay, it connects with us with the right knowledge. So many times we connect with the wrong people, it connects with the right people. We connect with the wrong subject, it connects with the right subjects. God bless you all. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shri Sai.